Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this pre-seasoned cast iron Dutch oven sourdough starter kit, and the manufacturer was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. Now I'm not much of a sourdough guy. In fact, I primarily wanted to get this for my daughter. She's just started getting into that. But let's go over what you are going to get here. You're going to get your main pot right here. That is what it looks like. Really heavy duty. All solid cast iron, not enameled like some of the ones that you do see out there. Get you this little scraper device, I guess, is what that is. You got your brush here to assist with cleaning. You also do have a couple other tools in here. That's a cover for this because this, you attach a blade to it. Blades are in there. A few other tools right here. I believe this is for, I don't know what this is for. But yeah, like I said, I'm not too familiar with some of these right here in regards to making sourdough bread. I'm gonna have to learn how to do that. Got another little scraper here. You have these things here. I know you can make like designs and stuff on the top of your bread. Got Merry Christmas, Happy Thanksgiving, got a little rose there, and you've got Ho 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 Santa Claus. Also got this little guy right here. I'm not sure exactly what this is. It's got measurements and stuff on there, so I'm assuming it's to measure your bread. Right there you go. Also this here, I'm assuming is where you put your bread in to let it, I don't know, rise. You got your little thing right here. There that is. And you do have the nice solid lid right here as well. Really hefty, solid. Has the handles on it, same as the bottom piece right here has the handles. Overall, looks like a really nice product, really heavy duty, pre-seasoned, which is always great. Sometimes you get these, they aren't pre-seasoned, then that's a whole hassle. But if you're interested in something like this, go ahead and check it out.